My name's Robert Simpson. I've got Ripple Wu and Susan Lee with me here today. We're from McGrath in Box Hill.
We're so proud to introduce number 2 Garie Street in central Blackburn.
We look forward to showing you through.
There are many things you may not see will make your daily living more convenient, more comfortable, such as the solar panel and security cameras, and also the 8 different zone heating and coolings.
Well, a perfect location here. At the end of the street, it's a no-through road leading onto Black's Walk. A few minutes stroll down Pakenham Street, you've got Laburnum Village and of course Laburnum Station. Your sport for choice with cafes there are of course at Blackburn Station as well, moments away. Head on in for dinner at Box Hill Central too as well. You're simply sport for choice.
Whether it's a watch, shoe or bag collection, this dressing room has got you covered. It is exceptional.
I'm sure you'd all agree this home is certainly very impressive in every aspect. It's dual school zone for Laburnum Primary and of course Box Hill High School.
Either you speak Mandarin, Cantonese or Vietnamese, of course English, we're all here to service you. Looking forward to meet you at the open inspections.